I've been in agricultural research for about 25 years and in water and water-related problems for about 8 years. Okay, there are four major problems that relate to water and development. In other words, what I'm saying is this is how water impacts on development. The first one is obviously water scarcity. Water scarcity is a major issue, but it's not the only issue, and it occurs when development moves beyond the capacity of the river basin system to support it. There are others. The second one I put second is vulnerability to water-related hazards like flood, drought, or water-related disease. That impacts tens of millions of people equally every year, and it stops them developing. The third one is sharing of the water resources and land resources, and the distribution of benefits that comes from that. If you haven't got that right, the system can't develop either, even if you've got the resources there. If they're only gathered in a few hands because of historics or politics, then you've got a problem. And the fourth one is basically what we call water productivity. It's about all those things that prevent the water being used most effectively. And the data that we have from 10 river basins shows that for many areas, the water productivity, in other words, the gain that is received from the water used, is less than 10% of what it could be. So there's massive scope for development, particularly in rain-fed systems. Yeah, I think it can by assembling people from different disciplines around these kind of issue problems. And it might be interesting to actually have some workshops as well as just presentations, but actually have workshops at which people from different disciplines get around the table and discuss these issues. Because the one thing that I've learned from the 5 years that I've been running these projects is that the solution has to be multidisciplinary. It's not hydrology, it's not agronomy, it's not animal science, it's not sociology. It tends to be all of these things put together around the problem. So I think a forum like tropentag could actually help manage that.